Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one of the important constitutional cases in the Indian judicial history, that is called the Kesavananda Bharati case. It began with a land dispute in Kerala but grew into a major legal battle about the powers of parliament and the protection of citizens' rights. This case led to the creation of the basic structure doctrine, which ensures that the core values of the Indian constitution cannot be changed. In the 1950s and 60s, the Kerala government introduced land reforms to help poor and landless people. These reforms aim to take extra land from wealthy landowners and give it to those who had no land. In 1963, the Kerala Land Reforms Act was passed. This law set a limit on how much land a person could own. If someone owned more than the allotted limit, the extra land would be taken by the government and given to the poor. Sri Kesavananda Bharati was the head of Ednirmat, a Hindu religious institution in Kerala. In 1970, the Kerala government applied land ownership restrictions to religious institutions as well. This meant that Ednirmat could lose some of its land. Sri Kesavananda Bharati felt that this was unfair and went to the Kerala High Court challenging the law. The case eventually reached the Supreme Court of India, which initially ruled in favor of the Kerala government. While this legal battle was going on, the Indian Parliament passed three important amendments to the Constitution. As per the 24th Amendment, it gave Parliament full power to change any part of the Constitution. Amendment 25 reduced the importance of fundamental rights, especially the right to property, and Amendment 29 protected certain laws from being challenged in court. Sri Kesavananda Bharati then filed a petition against these amendments, saying they violated the basic structure of the constitution. This led to a major legal battle about how much power parliament should have. The case was heard by a 13-judge bench, the largest in Indian history. The judges spent 6 months listening to arguments and studying the case before giving their final decision. On April 24, 1973, the Supreme Court gave a majority ruling. The court introduced the basic structure doctrine, which says Parliament can change the constitution but cannot alter its basic features. These basic features include democracy, secularism, federalism, rule of law, and judicial review. The power of courts to review laws is part of the constitution's basic structure and cannot be removed. The case is historic because it protected the core values of the Indian constitution. The basic structure doctrine ensures that Parliament cannot pass laws that destroys the essence of the constitution. Fundamental rights and the independence of the judiciary are safeguarded. The constitution remains strong and adaptable, but its key principles stay intact. The Kesavananda Bharati case is considered one of the most important judgments in Indian legal history. It continues to influence how laws are made and interpreted in India today.